Hi guys, today we're going to walk through the installation of an injector return repair fitting from Fleece Performance. Today we're working on a 2019 6.7 liter Power Stroke. It's common on the 2017 trucks for that injector return fitting to become brittle and break at the backside of the connection. That plastic barb and where it returns into the injector return line itself can be subject to heat and stress, which results in a breakage, which is exactly what happened on this truck. First step, we're going to use the spring clamp, install it over the injector return line. Next, we're going to place the barb on the backside of the injector return fitting down into the injector return line. Next, we're going to move the spring clamp back over that barb fitting. Lastly, we're going to install the fitting back onto the filter head. One other item I'd like to highlight on this fitting is the ease of installation and the ease of removal. Locking clip applied keeps the fitting tight to the quick disconnect. Removal of that lock and then press in, squeeze the two sides of the connector together and remove it off.